Hey, welcome back. So last year when we were camping, we had a box in the corner over here, hit a bump, jumped up, smashed, and snapped our curtain retainer off. So you can get these pretty easy. They're really easy to replace. You can go to your local RV center and get them, or Amazon, buy them in a 2-pack, real cheap off Amazon. These are really easy to replace. 2 screws. So take out our top screw. Always make sure it's pointing in towards the center of your window. If you point it to the outside, it's not going to match. Just be careful not to over tighten your screws, because this thin little plywood they're in does not hold screws that well. And then just feed your curtain back on, and that's it. Quick and easy fix.